Hello everyone, it's me Ahmed Radwan, and we are going to continue our series about PHP from scratch. So let's get started. Today I'm going to talk about arithmetical operators. Okay, so that I have created a variable called a, and it contains the value 13. As I said before, the variable is just a container. Okay, always remember that. And another variable called b, and it contains the value 6. Now I want to add these two variables together, so I just use echo, then I say a $sign a, okay, plus $sign b, and see the result. Okay, as you can see, the result is expected to be 19, and sure it is. If I want to minus, I use this minus sign. Also very easy, this lesson is very easy. And if I want to multiply, I use the star sign, the asterisk. Okay, here is it. If I want to divide, I use the slash or the division sign like this. So I'm dividing 13 by 6. As you can see here, this is the result. If you want to get the remaining of the division, I use this percentage sign. Okay, this one. So a, then percentage sign or mod b, this means it will give me the remaining of the division. 13 divided by 6 equals 2, and remaining is 1, right? So I'm expecting to get 1. Let's see, and sure enough, this 14 sure enough also will be 2, and so on. Okay, this operator is very useful, very useful. Later when you design HTML websites, maybe you need to highlight one row in a color, silver color, and another row, for example, in gray color. Okay, alternative colors. So you will need this operator. Okay, if it's odd number, you highlight it with silver, or if it's even number, you will highlight the row with gray, for example. Okay, I want to show you something here also. I want to delete this one. Okay, if I said only echo a, there is nothing new in this. It will echo 14. The new thing here is I want to introduce to you this operator also. Is if I say $sign a and plus. Okay, plus means what here? Here means we are adding 1. We are adding 1 to the variable a. Okay, so a here has a value of 14 until here. A still having a value of 14. Okay, but here it will increase the value. Okay, here the value will increase by 1. Okay, let's see that. So now I'm expecting to have what? To have 15, right? And sure enough, it's 15. The opposite of this one is minus, and it will subtract 1 from this variable. Okay, so I'm expecting to have what? 13 here, right? After this line, I'm expecting the value of a to be 13. Let's see, and that's correct. One more point here: you cannot use this operator directly in echo. Means you cannot say echo a plus. You cannot say like that. See what will be the result. See, it's the same. It did not add the 1 to the variable a. Okay, You get what I mean? Also minus will be remaining the same, so you cannot do it in echo, you have to do it alone. Okay. One more thing, in echo also you can add and subtract and multiply also you in echo directly. Like for example, I want to say 4 plus 3, no variable here. I will delete all of this just to let you know about it. You can use echo itself to do the operation like this. I'm expecting 7, and sure enough. Okay. Also minus, same thing. Okay. Anything you like from the operators I just mentioned is okay, with exception of the plus plus and the minus minus. You cannot use plus plus here. Don't expect to have 5. Okay, this is even highlighting it as wrong. Okay, so don't use echo for this one. Okay. Also minus minus, it will give you an error like that. Okay. And that's it for mathematical operators. Mathematical operators is something, and there is something else called mathematical functions. Okay, mathematical function are something else. Okay, they are more complicated than this. Okay, for example, if you want to get the tan of an angle, this is a function itself. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video, and I talk to you later. Bye.